Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified when I upload, which will be on Mondays. Today's the day. Today's moving day. Everything is happening today. Feels so weird. I got my university and accommodation offer around Christmas time, and would you believe it, a month and a bit later, it's now time to move. It felt like time was passing really slowly, and then whoop, now it's moving day. It's crazy. So as of today, I will no longer be living in Tasmania. I will be living in Melbourne, specifically Burwood, and it's all so exciting. Don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm looking forward to this new adventure in my life. So, there's been quite a bit of an update since I did that packing video. I've had to switch around stuff in my suitcases so many times. This suitcase is just all clothes. Nothing else, just clothes. And then we switched to this suitcase because realised that I wouldn't be able to carry much more stuff in that other one because it was too small. So swapped it for this purple suitcase, and I fit as much as what else I could take. And then there's some stuff that will be sent over, like products and stuff, that I can't fit in my luggage right now. Then we've got my carry-on, got a backpack, and then tote bag, and that's what I'll take on the plane with me. And they're all pretty close to the weight limit. 23 kilos for this, 23 kilos for this, so 23 kilos per bag of checked luggage, and then 7 kilos in total for my carry-on. So we're good. We will be heading off to the airport soon. I'm going to have to take a different route because there was an accident on the highway, but we should get there in time and hopefully everything there runs smoothly. Plan is check in my luggage, go through security, wait for the flight, board it, fly to Melbourne, get my bag, and then get a taxi to the student accommodation place, and then before you know it, I'll be there, living in Melbourne. So I'm moving out, I'm moving interstate, it's all happening. It's going to be a very eventful day today. Okay, looks like I'm all packed and we're about to head off. But first, goodbye chickens. We'll miss you. Goodbye. Now let's head off. Just double checking there isn't anything here that I'm going to be taking immediately. Nope, that's everything. I think I've got what I need. I think I'm ready to go to the airport now. safe and sound in my new home for the next year, basically. This neck pillow was a massive help throughout the airport and my flight, but this is my room, fresh bed. I have to get used to not having the desk loft bed anymore, but we've got cupboards, suitcases. Now, if I have to go anywhere, I need to bring my key. And I also won a coffee voucher for the local cafe here, which is nice. We'll just do a little tour of the place. This is a 10-bedroom student village. Lounge room, kitchen, and there's the view out the back. And yeah, this is for 10 people. I don't know if anyone's here yet or not. Could be the only one. There might be people in the rooms. I don't know. Got a welcome lunchbox and a welcome keep cup, which is nice. Yeah, I guess maybe time to start unpacking. They've got a barbecue going on later this afternoon, so probably go to that. And yeah, meet some of the people here, which would be cool. That was a nice little event. We had some food trucks there. I got a chickpea curry and a mushroom burger and chips and a slushie, which is nice. And yeah, I got to meet some new people. There's only 3 people, I think, out of the 10 in this unit, including me. So not all my roommates are here yet, but I'm excited to meet them. I think I'm the only one here right now, which is a bit strange. But yeah, that is it. I have moved to Burwood and I'm living in the student village, student accommodation. Pretty nice little room here. It'll do for this upcoming year while I study, and yeah, look forward to whatever new adventures I'll undertake in this new chapter in my life, in a new state, not being in Tasmania anymore, living in... Someone's coming. But yeah, that's going to be it for this moving vlog, moving out, moving interstate. Yeah, I'm very excited for this new chapter, new adventure in my life, and I look forward to sharing it with all of you. So thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. So, till next time, in the next video, I shall see you then. Goodbye.